Dave here, and in this list leverage video I'm going to show you how ClickCash part of list leverage works again, because list leverage is integrated with 3 autoresponders. They are Sendchark, they are Aweber, and they are GetResponse. Now everybody uses one of those 3 online. They're the 3 main ones. And what happens is that once your list leverage account is integrated with one of those 3 autoresponders, mine's integrated with Sendchark because it's the one that I prefer. But once it's integrated with one of those 3 autoresponders and you're sending emails out to your list of people through list leverage, what will happen is that when you send a link out after 16 days, then your list, the email that you send out to that list that contains a link to either an offer or to an opportunity that you want people to either join or you think they might be interested in, when they click on that link in it, doesn't matter whether they don't like the opportunity or they don't want to join the offer. What ClickCash will then do is they will then pay you a percentage of, they'll pay you for the people that don't join that opportunity or offer. Now mine kicked in a couple of days ago and it started off at 28 cents, which doesn't sound much, okay. Now it's gone up to 40 cents because I'm emailing my list 2 or 3 times per day. Now as my list size grows, and currently it's at 52 with list leverage, which is awesome for what the system will do. As my list grows, so will my ClickCash. Now my ClickCash will go up quite substantially over time. Many people's is at $800. Some people are earning more than that because their list sizes are better. So if that's what you want to have and you're a member of either Sendchark or you're a member of Aweber or GetResponse and you want to have that, whereas before in the past you would have sent out an email with an offer or an opportunity in it and people didn't click, then they're gone, totally gone. You might even get unsubscribed from your list, but not this way. So if you want to get ClickCash and you want to set up a list leverage account and get paid for emails where people don't join your offer or your opportunity, you can set up your own list leverage account to get ClickCash by clicking on the link that will be directly beneath this video. Hope that's been of interest to you. Don't forget to comment on it, don't forget to click the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified of all the videos that get uploaded to this channel. Thanks for watching.